Stock trading. Today, two stocks jump a lot. I'm gonna give you these two stocks and see if they could continue for the rest of the week. Welcome to World Traveling Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. My portfolio is up over 2,000 today. So right now it's already over 150,000 plus. So how could you achieve that? Invest in great companies, hold them as long as possible, then use call options, put options, and advanced option, and possibly day trading momentum stock. So today topic is gonna be day trading momentum stocks. S&P 500 is up 0.32%. This morning it jumped. Then after that it pulled back. Afternoon it pulled back negative for a very brief period. Then after that it recovered and closed positive. Nasdaq, look at this, the same. Nasdaq jumped, then went down, negative. Then for the rest of afternoon, spending, fluctuation, positive and negative. Then at the close, it closed positive. Dow Jones, look at this, positive, it went down. It did not go negative, Dow Jones, but there is a direction, right? The direction went up, then went down. It's similar to Nasdaq and S&P 500, close positive. So why does it happen? Because tomorrow gonna be PPI report, so inflation data, right? So it's purchasing index, so it's also important. So the stock market got a little bit nervous. It's very normal. Could be positive, could be negative, up and down a day before. And if you see this S&P 500 and Nasdaq, they move very similarly. Dow Jones similarly. Sometimes it can be different. Sometimes Nasdaq could be positive and S&P could be negative. S&P could be positive and Nasdaq could be negative. The same way with Dow Jones. But most of the time, these stock market move similarly. So when you trade stock, day trading, momentum stock, it's important to know the direction of the stock market on the day that you're trading. If it's positive, hey, you know what? The stock that you are trading could go up much higher. If the stock market is negative, like crazy, -1, plus, -2, hey, maybe you should think about taking profit a little bit earlier, or maybe getting lost sooner. So this information is very important when you are trading. So that's why I always look at the stock market when you are trading. So SFOR, this is stock number 2. Okay, it jumped 25.78%. So after I send out the alert to Petro number before the stock market opens. So for day trading, I usually look at before the stock market open. Okay, which stock could move. So when it opens positive, it could continue to go up higher. Okay, so it was only 2.5, so it was up for only 1 day. So some of the stock could go up for a few weeks or a few months. Important to keep these stock in watch list because they could go for a long time. Sometimes it could be only 1 or 2 days and then it just go back down. It happens, very normal, very normal. So always trade day trade. So I always like to trade day trade for them speculative stock, momentum stock. Okay, so right here it opened up, then after it went down, then it went up. So I do not like this setup because it doesn't have, yeah, it opened quite high gap up, but then there's no momentum, right? The momentum is not like straight up. If it's straight up, there's a momentum there. So it's very important. So when it opened, it gap up, but it wanted to go down. Then after that, it jumped. So that's the time you want to be taking profit or get lost. Remember, it jumped to 44. So let's say it went down to 313, 44. So you will probably take about 30 cents profit. That's okay. That's okay. Sometimes if the setup is not good, take profit early, and most of the time you may not be able to catch it. Okay, then what happened? You gonna lose. Then what happens? You can probably possibly get lost or wait a little bit. One is re recover to your entry point. You can possibly uh, exit the position, right? Exit was very important. So very important. When it went down again, if it's stock went down for like 3 times, 1 time, 2 times, the 3 times, I really don't like it. If it's went down for like crazy down like this, no, I will probably get out as soon as possible. But if we get lucky, there may be some a little bit bounce. Then it went down again. I really don't get it. If you could not catch it, could not exit the position before that, then probably this is a time that you should exit, right? This is probably the last time. After 3 times, you will be waiting a long time because the time is like 10:40 a.m. Okay, so the stock market opened at 9:30. So within an hour, that's most of the things happen. So after that, you may probably too late. And plus, when you have two setup for the day, you probably want to exit the setup that you don't like quickly so that you can focus on the other one. Stock number one, right? This is ATNF. Put it in your watch list, okay? You can see if it's gonna go up tomorrow. If they don't go up tomorrow, probably they already lost their momentum. They may come back again later, but I'd rather not waste time focusing on these two stocks. I'd rather look for new ones. Okay, new ones. It's just a one night stand, right? If you already have a one night stand, can she come back? Yes, but you're not gonna test her all the time and try to hook up with her again. When she tests you, yeah, you probably can do that again. If not, you know what, you're just gonna look for another one. This is just an example, okay? Stock is like that too. So this one jumped 65.52% after my alert. So it jumped. Hey, I like this setup better because you see it jumped like this. Okay? So it was only 10.24. You see, only one day. So these two stocks, for some reason, they jumped for only one day. Does it matter? No, it doesn't matter. I told you my 5 investing criteria. Does it matter that it beat S&P 500? No. So we're not going to look at S&P 500 compare it. Does it matter that how long have they been in the business? No. Does it matter if they have been a public company for at least 5 years? No, because you are day trading momentum stock, not stock investing. Does it matter that if I like this business, I don't even understand what they do. I don't even know that. I don't even care. Okay? It doesn't matter. Number 5, do I need to check their financial statement, balance sheet? No, doesn't matter. So the criteria for day trading is totally different from investing. So it's like you are looking to get a serious relationship. Your criteria will be 5 criteria. Hey, if you just want a one night stand, your criteria will be, hey, does she really have desire for me tonight? And is she crazy or is she normal? If she's crazy, you're not gonna bring her home, right? The same way for the stock. Hey, she gave me really good signal, really good sign. Yeah, it went up. Hey, she's looking at me. You know what? I'm gonna ask her out for tonight. Hey, let's see if she's crazy. If she's not crazy, oh, you know what? I can have one night stand. Very simple. Stock went up, a little bit down. It's okay. Went up, a little bit down. You always want to be a little bit careful. You can take the profit. Let's say you get a 14.31. Okay. Say you have 15, right now 16. So you only have $2 profit. If you want to take $2 profits and $1 loss, you will be okay. Just stick to your rules. So, hey, you already get a profit. You can take it right away. Or if you miss it, you get lucky another time. Hey, $17. Now it's already $3. Okay, your target is $2, right? Now $3. Just take it. Don't wait anymore. Because I really prefer stock not to go down. If it goes down 1 time, 2 times, 3 times is already too much. And one time maybe it can go back up. Okay, I can probably wait, right? If it's second time, oh, I will be really careful. I'm looking for the exit right now because The same way the girl, if she's crazy a little bit one time, not so much, okay, maybe she's a little bit strange, but all right. Second time, oh, she might be really crazy. The third time, you need to get up really quick, right? So that's how you do it. So yeah, $3 profit. Remember, you never go broke taking profits. But you can go broke taking a loss. So it doesn't matter whatever the profit is, just take it and just exit. You will live for another day. Okay, so if you want to learn more, go to Master Rate Stock Option Crypto channel, subscribe, go to playlist. You can learn about stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option, and day trading momentum stock. And you can open an account using my link down below. If they stay at promotion, you will get free stocks. Or you can also reach out to me via the link in the YouTube video description comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.